Hey there, travelers!
Ready to discover the magic of Canada's public transportation?
Let's go! There are trains in Toronto, and it's called the GO train. Canada's largest commuter system, connecting the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area.
Why is it important?
It reduces emissions,
Eases traffic, and fosters inclusivity.
started in 1967, and it's come a long way since then. Connecting millions across Canada. Covering downtown Toronto, suburbs, and more. Check out those peak hours for convenience. Stations, facilities, boarding process, and accessibility features are all designed for your comfort. Plan ahead, avoid rush hours, and make use of connections for a seamless trip. Tourist spots are just a train ride away. GO train is your ticket to exploring Canada.
Affordable, convenient, and eco-friendly.
Happy travels!